rabbits I've seen come out of this field today.
How many?
6.
Wow.
I'm starting to think the rabbits are what's causing this problem, not raccoons. With a Ford Ranger with pulling a wagon like this.
Maybe to a Ford Ranger. Did you leave my notes on
Good afternoon, everyone. We're on the corn harvest. I just made a couple clips there of going up and down the field a bit, unloading to a couple wagons. We got 30 tons off yesterday. We did the 2 headlands and to there over and got 30 tons off, and we've done from there over to a couple passes and we'll have about 40 tons off. I think by the time it goes up and back down, we'll have the 40 tons off. This is a 20-acre field. That'd be roughly 70 tons so far, with probably a wagon and a half left, which will end up being probably 90 tons off this 20 acres. Got a bit of the red dogs from the corn up here. Not too bad. I'm gonna back this dump box into the hay trailer like we usually do, so it's under cover, and then I'll come get that other wagon back there with the 64. The 2 wagons are hooked onto each other at the other end. I'll go get that with the 49. Going over to get this wagon all pulled up into the yard. We'll back it into the shed. I'm gonna try and get for next year, I'm gonna get a set of taller sides for it because it's the smallest wagon we have based on this height of the sides on it. I'm gonna try and get taller sides. It's gonna gain us about a ton of storage on it, and then I'm gonna try and get a tarp for it too. tarps we got on the other two wagons are aftermarket. We bought the wagons new in probably 2010. That one there was roughly 2006 to 2009, I'd say we bought that one. And I think we got those other two roughly 2010 to 2013-ish, but no tarps. So we bought the tarps for them 2021, mounted them on there ourselves, and now we got two pretty nice wagons with tarps, nice black tarps on them too. So that's what I'm gonna try and get for this other wagon for next year, so we don't have to consistently back it in the shed to keep it out of the elements. That wagon pulled up there. I'm gonna head out and get those other two. I'm gonna unhook them right there. Gonna pull the tractor up right back here. Dad's gonna clean out the barn tomorrow. There's manure in there from the other day still, so he's gonna clean out the barn, have a full spreader load for tomorrow morning, and then when he's done chores, hopefully there's a truck here to load. We're loading a truck tomorrow, and hopefully gonna be taking grain over to the elevator Saturday morning. Got a couple cobs of corn we found out just laying here. Gonna toss it in the corn head. Can't be losing that. It's gonna be a beautiful night. We got the two wagons behind us. I got two tarps rolled over. Combine's headed out this way with a full hopper. We'll put the combine, the dump box, and the three wagons into a truck, and it'll pretty well fill a truck. So we do that. As to how we fill our trucks, we got Dad took three wagons over to the grain elevator today. That's what he got combined yesterday. And we had about 29-30 tons on there, which is pretty good off a decent section of the field. We usually only go until we're full and then go to the elevator the next day. That's how we have it set up right now. So, not too bad. We're gonna take this back up to the yard and get everything packed away for the night so we can start work tomorrow. I got the wagon there. We'll leave them there for the night. We'll back this up to the manure spreader so it's decently close for being plugged in the morning. Today is November 14th. This year has been the earliest to get off our beans. Knock on wood, this is the earliest we'll have our corn off in a while. Pretty good. Considering how many beans we had to do this year, had 300 acres of them, and we got 30 acres of corn. But it's pretty decent for how much we've had gotten done in the past 2-3 months. We haven't stopped since Labor Day. Almost had it. Direct center. There's another corn harvest done. Pretty decent. I hope everyone enjoyed this little clip I made this afternoon. Yesterday I wasn't here to video it because I was at school, and then I had to work last night, and I work tomorrow night, so tomorrow I might be going on a parts run with the green tractors for a fuel line for the combine. But other than that, I'll be back Saturday morning, trying to get Dad to let me drive the combine. So we might be driving the combine on Saturday morning after I go to the grain elevator. So hopefully we can make a trip over there and then run combine until I gotta go work in the afternoon. I work all freaking weekend nights, so all I get is in the mornings for corn. We're hoping to be done corn by the end of the weekend. So it's gonna be a short corn harvest for me. Probably be a short corn harvest for you guys as well. Pretty well the same as what I get, but at least we'll be done and better than harvest in February like we did earlier this year. What a beautiful night it's turned into. Other than the clouds, but back in Wagons in.